Hello everyone, this is Satyaprakash. Welcome to my channel. This is a Angular session. So in this session I'll show you how to fix the issues while we run our Angular project in VS Code. So I have at the title PS1 cannot be loaded. This is the issues, and I have also attached the screenshots here. So you will get the error like this. So the error will be while you execute your command like ng version. So you'll get the error PS1 cannot be loaded because running scripts is disabled on the system. Okay, so in this session I'll discuss why this error occurs in Angular application and how to fix the issue in Angular. So guys, before going through this session, just go through my Angular CLI tutorial or Angular application. You'll get the basic and advanced knowledge using from these playlists. Okay, now I'll go to my steps, whatever I'll show you. So this session is about when I are on our Angular app project or any ng command. So this error will be shown like what, right? This error will be showing. So how to fix it? So this is my VS Code, and this is the Angular application which I already have discussed about this Angular application, that is in my previous videos as well. Okay, so guys, here there is what the solution I will discuss about with you. So this error occurs when your system has disabled the running script and your system is cannot accept the ng commands. So this error occurs due to security reasons and won't let the scripts be executed on your system without your approval. Then you have to open the PowerShell with administrative rights. Okay, and to solve this problem, so there is few steps. So before that, I'll tell you guys, this is the Angular application and how to run it. So there is one terminal, okay, and click on new terminal, and you can see the three dot in the this interface. Okay, and you can see you can run your application. This is the plus symbol here, right? And there is, if you drop down, you can run your Angular project using PowerShell and command prompt. So and also JavaScript debug terminal, and there is one split terminal, that is PowerShell, command prompt, and JavaScript debug terminal. So you can run your Angular application using these three ways. So I'll show you first the command prompt. Okay, and this command prompt, while you select, you will get the interface like this. So this is the ng version. Okay, while you type it and wait for some time, and it will display all the information related to the ng, whatever the versions installed for our Angular project. So guys, here you can see when I select from here command prompt and execute my ng command, this command successfully executed and I'm getting the expected output. Okay, so let's see, I'll select the PowerShell. Okay, and I'll execute the same command, ng version. So you just see the difference. While I select the PowerShell, you'll get one ps. Okay, ps ps before the path of your Angular project. So if you just want to execute ng command, you can see this error, right? That is PS1 cannot be loaded because running script disabled on this system. Okay, and there is some exceptions, and go to this URL just for reference. So how to fix these issues? So guys, to fix the issue, first I'll check in my command prompt. Okay, so I need to open the command prompt in administrative mode, you can see here. Okay, and also you can execute this command using your VS Code terminal. So here I will execute this few commands. So command is set hyphen execution and policy, set hyphen execution policy space and remote signed okay, and hyphen scope and current user. Okay, this is the command you need to type in your terminal in your VS Code. Okay, so this command is set hyphen execution policy space remote signed hyphen scope space current user. Okay, so after then I click enter. So once I click enter, this command is successfully executed. Okay, so you can see that has all the it has set all the policies for the current user as remotely. So it will take few seconds as for your system performance. So for me it is execution successfully. So this is the successfully executed. Okay, so I'll go to the step 2. So this is the step 1. The step 2 will be I have to run the second command on this using this terminal. So the second command is get hyphen this is execution policy. Okay, and I need to execute it. So you can see I'm getting the remote signed because I have set the execution policy as a remote signed for current user, so that while I using the set and when I execute this get hyphen execution policy, I'm getting the remote signed whatever I set here. So when I run this command on my system, it is showing remote signed. So if you have received the same message, then your problem is solved. And now you have to go to the next step to view the list of policy, which policy has been updated by the last commands. Okay, so this is the step 2. So last step and final step 3 is to view the policy whatever you have already set. So I need to run one command in my terminal. So there is get execution policy, okay, hyphen list. So while you execute this command, and it will show few policies are shown on your screen. So see, these are the all scopes. Under scopes there is machine policy, user policy, process, current user, and local machine. And execution policies, the status is for machine policy undefined, undefined for user policy, and process undefined. For current user it's showing remote signed. Okay, and there I have set here, and for local machine it is undefined. So it is execution is successfully as expected. So this is all about the 3 commands you need to execute to solve these issues. Okay, so next step is so here I can see all my system execution policy list. I have successfully solved my problem. So now you need to go to your command prompt and check that problem is solved. So once I done it, so now I run my ng command in my command prompt. So this command will be, I'll execute here ng dash version. So here I'm getting the expected output of execution of a ng command. Okay, so I'm getting the related details. That means using my PowerShell, the ng command successfully executed. Also I can see if you go to your PowerShell, you need to just right click on your PowerShell in your Windows and open as administrator. So you can just type here get hyphen execution policy. Okay, and you will see the same output as well in Windows PowerShell. Okay, so in this way also you can set it as a list. So in list you can get all the policies and its values as well. So for a current user it is a remote sign. That means you have already set for the problem you solved, that is whatever you get, that is PS1. The issues was the PS1 cannot be loaded because the run script disabled on this system. So after these 3 commands it is already set, and I'm getting the execution policies as you can see here. So I'm able to run my ng commands using PowerShell. Okay, so there is I need to run my Angular application. So for Angular application to run, to ng the ng sharp. Okay, so click enter. You can see this ng command is executed successfully. Okay, now I am able to run my Angular application. I'm getting this URL. So go to my browser and I'm just refresh this URL. So I'm getting the Angular application UI here. So that means I'm able to run my Angular application using PowerShell as well. Okay guys, so that's all about how to fix the issues PS1 cannot be loaded. And I'm go to my presentation here. So as I discussed, these three commands need to be executed to fix the issues, and this is the last command. I need to check whether the ng command is successfully executed, not using PowerShell. So guys, that's it for today. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.